So, I don't know about you, but here our side dishes usually are pasta or rice, pasta or rice, pasta or rice. And because of that, today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do a parsnip puree, which is very good and very easy to do. So, come on, let's go. So let's start by peel the parsnips. And please don't discard the peel because it's great to do a veggie stock. Stocks are always very useful. Or if you prefer, you can use it for composting. Next, chop the parsnip into small pieces. It's easier to cook that way. Now, in the middle of the parsnip, you have this a different texture, it's kind of a fibrous texture, it's a little bit tougher. Some people that I know usually discard this part of the parsnip. I usually don't, because I don't think it really makes any difference. The only thing is that it's going to take a little bit longer to cook. Pour it into a pan. Cover it with milk, and it doesn't have to be a lot of milk, it just should be enough to cover our parsnips. Turn on your heat and let your parsnips cook until they get soft. When they are ready, discard the milk, take them back to the pan, add the butter, mix it together until your butter is completely melted. Next, add your heavy cream, and you can use, well, any kind of cream you like, but I think that heavy cream works a lot better. Here in Portugal I use Creme Fraiche. I don't know if that's easy to find in other places of the world, I really don't know, but if you use some kind of heavy cream, you should be fine. Season it with salt, and if you like, a little bit of pepper. Next, just use any kind of mixer that you like, and turn it into a puree. And here it is. It's very easy to do, and it's an excellent alternative to rice and pasta and any kind of side dishes that you usually use. So here you have it, one more recipe. This one was very quick. Don't forget to check my other videos. My name is Miguel Teles, this is Tuga Kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.